That's the end of the hook. Now let's use the black thread. Add the grain to the tiger. Tie a knot. This knot can be made bigger. And then this is the side of the tail. This log. This place starts at the bottom. Put the knot in first. Don't pull the thread too tight. Everyone according to their own preferences. Add stripes to the tiger. Same thing at the end. Tie a knot. And hide the wire in there. Just connection. Put the wire in. For those of you who don't think there's enough of that, you can sew on the back here too. This is an arbitrary addition. See to one's liking. Now let's assemble this tiger. First of all, determine the position of each component. Make sure from the top down. The first is the position of the ears. The ears are a little further back. This is right in the middle and a little bit back. First lap start. Between lap 1 and lap 4. Because the ear is a circle, we can use glue. Just use glue. Heat it up, and then glue it on. Then there's the position of the arms. The arms are exactly the same distance on both sides of the middle. $123,456,789 from the top down. Position for lap 9. This arm needs to be sewn. Because it's just a line. It'll look better if you sew it. Then there are the eyes. The eyes are right in the middle. Right in the middle of 123 3 stitches. Equivalent to saying, there are 6 stitches between the 2 eyes. Then count 123,456 from the top down. Between lap 6 and 7. 2 stitches on one side of the center. Then there's the position of the bead. Make bead. There is a stitch between the 2 beads. 12,345,678 from the top down. From the 8th loop. The bead is an area. We can just glue it on. And then there's the tail. The tail is right in the middle of the bag. Count 123,456 from the bottom. Sew it on here between loop 6 and 7. Sew it sideways so that the tail bends in front. Now we begin to assemble the tape. Don't get too close to the fire while it's heating. Should not spray directly into the fire. Just heat it up on the side. If you're good at sewing, it looks better just by sewing. Alright, now we're done with the glue. Now let's sew the hand on. Thread the remaining thread over the needle. And then in the same row right here. On this line right here. Pick a body stitch position. Plus the time. At this position. Just a couple of stitches here.